morning students, myself Nikita and I am going to teach you computer. So as you can see on your screen, this is your computer book for class 5th and the name of your computer book is Cyber Touch. So let's get started with chapter number 1. So the name of chapter number 1 is Evolution of Computers. So let's get started. So in this chapter, we will discuss about history of computers, right? So the term computer has been derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to performing only calculations. It means the computer word has been derived from word compute. कि जो कंप्यूटर वर्ड है वो कंप्यूट वर्ड से डिराइव हुआ है एंड जिसका मीनिंग होता है कैलकुलेट. बट अ कंप्यूटर कैन डू वेरियस फंक्शंस अपार्ट फ्रॉम कैलकुलेशंस. इट कैन डू versatile functions. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media, and entertainment, offices, factories, schools, homes. So you can say in nowadays computers are everywhere in every aspect of life. So let's discuss more about computers. So in this slide we will discuss about calculating devices. So the first calculating device is abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device invented for doing calculations. It was developed in China. It means जो abacus है वो first ऐसा device है जिसके through हम calculations कर सकते हैं and it was developed in China. It was made up of a wooden frame consisting of rods, each having beads in them. As you can see in the picture also, the framework of abacus is wooden and in this there are so many rods and each rod is having beads in it. The frame was divided into two parts. The upper part is called heaven and the lower part is called earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and each rod in earth has 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It means that through abacus we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Moving towards next slide. In this slide, we will discuss about second calculating device and which is Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It means a French mathematician whose name is Blaise Pascal. He has invented this Pascal adding machine in the year 1642 when he was 19 years old. It used gears, wheels and dials. The numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels in this device. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. It means that through this device we can perform only addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculator. It means ये जो मशीन है इसे हम डिफरेंट मैकेनिकल कैलकुलेटर्स में यूज़ करते हैं एंड अ टैक्सीमीटर इज़ अ परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ अ मैकेनिकल कैलकुलेटर. एंड द नेक्स्ट डिवाइस इज Lebanese calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, invented a mechanical device called Lebanese calculator in 1671. It was an improvisation on Pascal's machine. It means जो Leibniz हैं he was a German mathematician. Basically, he has improved in the Pascal's machine. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Lebanese calculator could even do multiplication, division and find square roots. It means जो Pascal machine है, it was capable of doing only addition and subtraction. But this Lebanese calculator can do multiplication, division and square roots also. So this is all about various calculating devices. Thank you.